Assam continued to reel under the flood situation with 9 more people dying because of it and the Kaziranga National Park being completely inundated. PTI reported that 3 people died in Dibrugarh district, 2 each in Tinsukia and Barpeta and 1 each in Biswanath and Golaghat district. The Assam State Disaster Management Authority has said that 85 people have died in the state in flood-related incidents so far. 33 lakh people have been affected across 28 districts, the report said. NDTV reported that in the Kaziranga National Park, known for its one-horned rhinos, around 51 wild animals has died because of the floods and 100 has been rescued. The report said that 95% of the park has been submerged under the water. Animals from the national park, also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, have been staying into nearby villages and taking shelter. PTI reported local officials as saying that a Royal Bengal tiger entered a goat shed of a villager in Kandolimari village in Agartoli forest range of the park on Monday and left the site later in the night. The report said that 2 more tigers were sighted on Tuesday trying to escape floodwaters and straying in the Bagmari village area. One of the tigers later moved towards the Karbi Anglong district and reached there safely, while another one is at present near the National Highway 37, officials told PTI. On Tuesday morning, a 1-year-old rhino was rescued from near the Sukanj camp of Agartoli range of the Kaziranga National Park. A bulletin by the Assam State Disaster Management Authority said that the worst hit district in the state was Barpeta, where over 5.50 lakh people are affected. Dhubri, Morigaon and South Salmara districts with 4.11 lakh, 4.08 lakh and 2.25 lakh people affected respectively were also among the worst hit. Floods had affected nearly 22 lakh people across 27 districts on Monday. Hindustan Times reported that at least 44,000 people have been displaced by the floods and were taking shelter in 517 relief camps. The report said that 1.28 lakh hectares of crop area in the affected districts had been submerged.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.